Hello babies. Oh, these little conures are doing well and their little feathers are starting to develop. Look at that little fluffy butt. Oh, bless. Hello little one. The green feathers are coming through on the wings on some of them, the oldest one. And this is the little youngest one. Look at him. His green feathers aren't through yet. Hello little ones. What you doing? Are you all snuggled? All snuggled up in the brooder. Hello. Who's a good boy? Hello. Hello. Oh. Hello, little cutie. Hello. Snug as a bug in a rug, they say. But snug as little chicks in a nest. Look at that little tail. Little orange feathers coming through. And this little guy's got a dirty beak from his din-dins. Hello. Hello. I'm going to let you go back to sleep now. Okay. Bye bye babies.